Hello folks, my name is Great Okonkwo with Data Aggressive, and today I'm going to be showing you how our VM system works. And when I say our VM system, I mean the Ringless voice mail system on how to send a message, a business message to your prospects via Ringless voicemail messages. So in other words, you're going to be dropping messages on their cell phones without it ringing in order to promote your product. So anyway, this is the system that you have to log into to do that. So the first thing you're going to do is you get the system, okay? You go on our website, you're going to see the system, you purchase a system, and we set up your account, and when you log in, this is what you're going to see, okay? So we have the dashboard. It shows the time, it shows the 7-day cost you've spent, completed ratio percentage, your hourly ratio percentage, all this, all you're gonna see when you log into the system. The first thing you're gonna see, okay? Now, when you purchase a system, the next thing you're gonna do is just get credits, to make calls. And with us, it's just 1 cent per drop, per successful drop. So it's one thing for it to be 1 cent per drop, and it's another for it to be 1 cent per successful drop. Because some drops or some Ringless voice message drops might be 1 cent, but they would not be delivered to the cell phone because for whatever reason the cell phone wasn't connecting with the network that you're sending it from. So we charge you only per successful drops you make. Okay, so the next step after you purchase a system is get the credit. You see here where it says 4965. When you purchase a credit, it comes here and stays, okay, to show you how much credit you have. So anyway, after you purchase the credit, what next? You have to. We're gonna upload some things here so you can see how it works. Very simple, not complicated at all. Okay, this is just a COVID-19 message, so don't worry about it. So we're gonna browse a file from a computer, upload an audio file. Okay, make sure to record an audio file for your message, the message you want to send out to your client or prospective clients, okay? So let's see. Our VM messages. So we have the recorded messages here, okay? We're going to upload the RVM business message, okay? And then we'll title it here the same name, same RVM business, and click save. It's going to tell you right now it's currently uploading. Please wait while you start. Now it's uploaded. Boom. And it has to be an MP3 file, okay? We advise that it should not be longer than 60 seconds. Do not record a message longer than 60 seconds, okay? So here we have the RVM business message. Let's see. And by the way, if you want to delete it, you can just come here. You can just come here and delete it. You see that? And what's going to happen? It's going to ask for it. Boom, delete it. Okay, very simple. So you upload the audio that you want to use. So here we have one with a soundtrack and we have one without a soundtrack. In other words, we put music in the background and one without the music in the background. So let's use one without the music on the background for now, okay? Just put it there, RVM business, save it, boom, loading. It's gonna let us know right now, boom, it's successfully uploaded. So after you've uploaded the audio file, what's the next thing you're gonna do? We upload the list, the phone list. In other words, the phone numbers your RVM system is going to be dialing, okay? So we have some here that we tried. We have a test here. So we go back. Now remember, this has to be in a CSV file, okay? So we're gonna make sure to save as CVS. I'm doing the steps here so you guys can see it. Or CSV, excuse me. So it's gonna be saved as a CSV file. Okay. And now where we have it, we're going to make sure it is the right one. And boom, this is the right one, the CSV here. Okay, we're going to pick it up. Okay, we're going to pick it up, call it food truck. In this case, we're targeting food truck businesses. Okay, we're going to implement it. It's going to say file complete, import completed, right? And boom, once it appears, let's refresh it to make sure that it worked. Okay, good. So as you can see, it is active. Once it says active, then you actually did it right. Okay, if it does not say active, you're not doing it right. Okay, so now what's the next thing you do? You have to select a number that you are going to use. In other words, when they call back, when they hear the message and call back, they need to have a number to call back. Besides, having the number listed here, you have to put a number on the recording that they're going to call back on. Okay, so we're going to do create a number that appears on the phone. So this number is going to mirror the actual network's number when it calls out. This is the number they're not going to see it for the most part, but if they do see it, this is the number that they are going to see. So we're going to choose a soundtrack here. Remember, we uploaded the business. Now, where are we targeting? Well, for this illustration, we're going to use Texas, and we're going to use, let's say, 832 number. Put an 832 number. We're going to select the name. We are targeting food truck. So let's just say RVM food truck. Okay. And we are not going to enable the SMS for this call. Now, here where it says the area code, you have to know that the area code should be mirroring the local area that you're targeting. Okay, every area in the United States have their own area codes. So find one that you're targeting. Now, if you don't want to use the one here, you can actually type in a number that you wanted to call. For some people that use the robocall that sells for them, you could type in the number here. So here we're just gonna pick 832 and we just save track. Okay, and it's gonna populate the number for us. Food truck, click on it. We'll click start to have it enabled, and now we're gonna go to the campaigns. This is where we set up the campaigns. Okay, now for a good rule of thumb for you is that the campaigns run best on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Friday and Saturday not so much. Okay, for whatever reason, people are not very eager to talk on those days. But between Sundays and Thursdays are very good. Mondays are good. So here we click on, do you see what I did? We click on campaign. We call the new campaign food truck, since this is what we're targeting in this case, in this example. Okay, food truck RVM. Again, we're choosing that. We're choosing the audio file, the RVM business with no soundtrack, and the phone list, we're choosing our food truck numbers list. Okay, now if you're targeting Florida, you have to click yes, but we're not targeting Florida. Okay, so everything else you leave the way it is. Here is the number. Now let's grab that number, like that number that populated for us. Let us grab it right now. Let's see what number it is. Okay, you see the number on the side, on the left here? That is the number we're going to copy that's the number we're going to copy and paste when we run our campaign, because it already populated for us. Okay, so we go back to campaigns, and then on the 10-digit, boom, copy and paste that number that you just populated. And when you want to start a campaign, you want to start it today and you want to start it tomorrow. Well, today, right now is Thursday, so I could start it today if I want. But no, I don't want to start it today. I want to start it on Sunday. I click to this 26th, and it populates that day. When do you want to stop it? Well, I want it to run for Sunday, Monday only. I stop it on Monday. It's going to start on Sunday and stop on Monday. And what times do I want? I want it to start at around 10 a.m. in the morning. I could just click on 10 here. Now that's for the hour. Now for the minute. 10 a.m. 0. Very simple. You see that? And so here where it lights the days for me, I'm going to click the days that I do not want. Click off the days I do not want. So I only want it for Sunday and Monday. As simple as that. How many per hour do I want to run? Now my list is about 1,000. So I want to run like 150. Now you can run up to 15,000 depending on the numbers list. Now remember, you could buy a list for tens of thousands, as much as you want. And you could decide how many voicemail messages you want to drop per hour. That's what this section is. For me, it's about 1,000 in this example, so I'm going to run about 150. Once I'm done with this, you look at it, everything is good. You leave this the way they are, and you click Save New Campaign. Now you're going to remove the 1 on the end. That's why it's hollering at me there, and you save it. Once you save it, you come back here, since right now it says paused. So come over here and say so to start, let it go. From now, it's going to start on Sunday morning to start running the campaigns for you. And that's simple as it is. So don't worry about it. First thing again, you're going to upload your audio file. You're going to upload your list, the list of numbers you're going to be targeting. You're going to get a number or impute a number you want as a return, number call. When they call back, it's going to call back that number. Now, so you know, the reports are going to be here in the report section of the system. Is so powerful, so powerful. So whoever calls back is going to call back, and their number is going to be listed here. The name is going to be listed here that they called back, and you'll be able to know, who called you back or who didn't. Well, you will know who called you, who did not call you back, basically, because there's no way to know. But here you can go all the way straight all the way to whenever you want to, the range of time you want to know when you keep running the system. Okay, and that is it today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please reach back out to us. You can also go to the website and get your own system, your RVM system for your business. And remember, this can work on any business. Today I just gave you an example for a food truck, but this can work on any business. Home-based businesses, opportunity-based businesses, service-based businesses, product-based businesses. Obviously, like a food truck, they're often a product, food to trucks. Okay, so the link is going to be in the description. Feel free to reach back to us if you have any questions. Thank you today for watching. Again, I'm great. Bye-bye.